Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best cheap outdoor projectors in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is YABER Y30, best projector for outdoor movies. YABER Y30 is an innovative 4D best outdoor projector with 50 degrees 4D keystone correction to ensure the best projected image. You can easily adjust the screen using a remote control. This projector features a 1080p native resolution, which supports 4K video. It has 7000 lumens brightness, which offers brightness. It has a dynamic contrast ratio of around 8000 to 1, offering detailed and sharp images. The 3 fans in this projector offer splendid cooling and extended life. The best part about this YABER Y30 projector is that you can use it in both dark and low lights with no interruption. YABER Y30 is an awe-inspiring projector with a fantastic viewing experience, extraordinary features, and that too at a cost-effective price. Number 2. Our second best pick is WiMiUS upgraded P28 cheap outdoor projector. Are you worried about buying a cheap projector that might work for a year only? With the WiMiUS P28 projector, you don't need to worry about all the dilemmas. This projector YABER features 7200 lumens with single critical brightness functioning. It is a native resolution projector with 1920*1080p and has a contrast ratio of 10,000 to 1. It supports 4K videos. It offers the users with 50,300 inches size of projection with around 1.5 to 7 m distance of projection. It offers 100 to 75% zoom out functioning and multiple connectivity options. This outdoor daylight projector features 10W hi-fi speakers with keystone correction. It features a 100,000 hours LED lamp, which means it will work for more than 10 years. Number 3. Our third best pick is Optoma HD146X high-performance projector for movies and gaming. Optoma HD offers the users cinematic picture quality. It comes with a perfect picture alignment. This projector features a 1080p native resolution. It is the perfect outdoor movie projector for fun. You can enjoy keeping this projector in dim lights as it features 3600 brightness. The fast response time of the Optoma projector allows you to enjoy the gaming mode that boosts dark scenes and shadows for fantastic visibility. It features a game display mode allowing you a lag-free game experience. The DLP-DMD design featured in this projector allows you with image alignment. It also supports USB power and HDMI cable for an incredible entertainment experience. Optoma offers easy installation to the users. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is BenQ TK850, best outdoor projectors. BenQ TK850 features a 4K UHD resolution giving you incredible crisp details with clear pictures. This HDR-PRO supercharged projector with dynamic iris offers enhanced contrast and exclusive brightness to the users featuring realistic images. These best outdoor projectors feature cinematic color technology, an immersive sports/gaming experience, vivid colors with ambient lighting, and DLP technology. You might not like the sound outdoors and may need 10W speakers. Other than that, this projector is worth it for sports bars and cinematic content in bright environments or using it in living room settings. It allows you to opt for customized picture mode, which suits your needs. The HDR of this projector, in particular, is highly exceptional. The lens shift, manual zoom, and focus tools allow the users to tune in finely. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is BenQ TH585, best affordable outdoor projector. BenQ TH585 is a perfectly affordable best outdoor projector. It features 1080p image quality and has 3500 lumens with a 10,000 to 1 contrast ratio. It has a 16 milliseconds low latency period with an ultra-smooth gaming experience. It offers an exceptional significant screen experience to the users while gaming. This projector features incredible picture quality with detailed colors. For anyone who has been seeking the best outdoor projectors, this BenQ TH585 is one of the best choices. The built-in speakers in this projector offer you a stunning audio experience for TV, movies, gaming, and many more. It has around 15,000 hours of lamp life, which offers an intense gaming experience to the users. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.